Mr. Bailiff, I am most grateful to you and to the States for the warm welcome you've extended to both my wife and myself, and for the assurances of devotion, loyalty, and allegiance to the Crown you have expressed on behalf of the people of Jersey. My wife and I have such happy recollections of the welcome we received when we were here last year in 2012 to mark the Diamond Jubilee of my late mother. During that visit we met so many islanders and learned of the high regard and affection in which she was held, and also a great deal about your beautiful and unique island. We look forward to doing so again today during our time here in St. Helier.